Hello guys, welcome. And in this video we will discuss articles. So what are articles? Articles are basically adjectives that we put before the noun. Okay. By definition, articles are special modifiers that appear before noun or noun phrases. So they modify the noun. Okay, what is a noun? It's a name, it's a place, okay, or could be an animal. There are two types of articles. Firstly is the definite article, and secondly is the indefinite article. In the definite article, we have the. Okay, so a definite article is defined as a word which is used to refer specific or particular nouns, and therefore it's called a definite article. So the example is the. Here in this sentence, Seema reads the book. This this is definite. She is reading the book. So she is reading a particular style of book. Okay, she is reading a particular book. Okay. Now let's come back to indefinite articles. Indefinite means which is not definite. Okay. So an indefinite article is defined as a word which is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. Okay. Non-specific, non-particular. It is not specified to a particular thing. Okay. So for example, here Seema reads a book. It is not predefined which kind of book she is reading. Okay. So it is non-specified and non-particular. Okay. In indefinite articles, we use the words a or an. Okay. In this video, we learned about what are articles, what are the types of articles, and how we can use them in different examples. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button